Hey guys, this is a review of the Augason Farms Lunch and Dinner Variety Kit. So this is meal prep that you can keep like in the basement for 25 years. So that's quite a long time, so it's great for any kind of emergency that might come up. You can see these are all the packets here. What I love about this one is the variety. I've gotten things like this in the past that have like 2 or 3 different types of meals. This has so many different ones. I can go through and read it, but let me just show you. I did make the fettuccine alfredo. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's just like a solid good. It's not like hyper flavorful. It doesn't have like strong garlic or anything like that, so it's going to be good for most people and even kids. It's going to be a very approachable meal. It's not going to be like super high-end fancy, you know, you're not getting like intense like fresh herbs or anything, but this is going to fill you up and be really comforting and have a little bit of flavor without being too intense. So I really like that. This was a four servings per packet, and I'm comparing this to some of my backpacker meals. You get a pouch and you pour hot water in and you let it sit, and that's how it comes back to life. These kits are actually something that you cook, so you have to have a little heat source. This is my hot pot that I can plug into a large power bank that I have that I can charge with solar energy. So this is great if the energy went out, electricity went out, I could still make a nice meal, or I could cook it over fire outside. So I thought I'd just mention that little hot pot hack. But getting back to the kits, you do have to cook them. This is what the lasagna one looks like. It's just like the pasta and the powder, and it does have a little oxygen pouch. You have to make sure you take that out, so don't just dump it in. Take this out, then dump it in, and then you cook it for, it depends on the meal. It might be 10 minutes, it might be 20 minutes, but there is like a cooking process there instead of just pouring water into the bag. But that said, these are great meals. The pasta are 4 servings. Some of the other ones, like the rice, are 8 servings per packet. So you're going to be getting like a nice lunch or a nice dinner for a few people out of each of these packets. And then getting back to the variety, I think that's the highlight of this specific bucket, is that there's so many different meals. It lists them out on the side. It has it on 2 separate sides. So there is lasagna, stroganoff, fettuccine, creamy rice and vegetables, mac and cheese, cheesy broccoli rice, and then even more, you have Spanish rice, creamy potato soup, 2 pouches of that, cheesy broccoli soup, veggie stew, black bean burger mix, instant mashed potatoes, and then even a little chocolate pudding, which is an emergency situation. To have that little pick-me-up, I think, is super important. You know, a little bit of fun can make a tough situation bearable. So that's all the different packets there. You're getting like a nice multi-person meal out of each pouch. They will seal in there really nicely. This bucket is also really durable. It's like a very intense bucket, so you could use this bucket for you know, like moving debris or something like that in an extreme emergency. And it is sealed really tightly. This is the lid, and then the lid had this plastic wrapped around it, so it was a little hard to get off. What's awesome about that is if you have these in the basement and there might be rodents or something, it's going to be really hard for the rodents to get into the bucket. And then also, this is a very thick plastic. I had to use scissors. I couldn't rip it open. So yeah, you could have one of these, or you could have quite a few of these. Just stock them up. Maybe lift it up on a shelf would be better, just in case if there was a flood or something. But this is a really cool kit because of all of the variety, and I do think they are flavored nicely for you know, the general population is going to like this and get calories in and keep getting through a tough time. So I think this is a great thing to have on hand and kind of recommend to most families to just have just in case. And then of course this would be an easy thing to take like camping if you just wanted to make it really easy around mealtime to just pour in hot water and stir it up, and that's it, and you don't have to do chopping or anything. So yeah, really cool kit, really tough bucket. Just an awesome thing to have for whatever life might throw at you. So I really liked it.